Magandang umaga. Ako po ay si Mayor Romel Arnado sa munisipyo ng Kauswagan, probinsya ng Lanao del Norte. Ako po ang kasulukuyang presidente ng League of Organic Agriculture, Municipalities, Cities, and Provinces of the Philippines. Kami po sa Long CP with membership of around or more than 200 mayors all over the Philippines are inspired by the amended Organic Agriculture Law. With IFOAM Asia, we have had directly engaged Senator Villar, the chairperson of Agriculture and Food and Agrarian Reform, with Senator Kiko Pangilinan and the Congress Committee on Agriculture and Food, among others, for the inclusion of PGS in Republic Act number 11511. We know that PGS Pilipinas had been in the forefront of this process engagement. And we are relatively happy that we were able to do the parallel strategic engagement and negotiation to systematically advance the welfare of our small organic practitioners. If we visit the amended law, the law calls for the mindset transformation of all societal stakeholders to focus on central core of organic agriculture, which is on the regeneration of farm ecology, and also soil health, which has a direct connectivity to the production of safe and clean food to enhance the inner immune system to all of us consumers in this time of pandemic, the loss of biodiversity, and climate change, among others, through a participatory bottom-up approach. This direct connectivity has showed us that organic agriculture is an effective means of changing the societal mindsets to view food beyond the business as usual. That we have to regenerate our understanding towards organic food system. Hence, it is on this context that we in the LOM CP is systematically advancing the societal threefolding leadership and governance in asset-based sustainable organic agriculture, municipal city-wide investment master plan to support the farmers from transition to full organic food system in a form of ordinance within our territorial jurisdictions. This municipal city-wide policy is a replication process over at least 2 municipalities members, with Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur, that won the 2012 One World Award of the IFOAM Organics International, and Rapunzel, and my municipality of Kauswagan, Lanao del Norte, that won the 2016 Peace and Development Initiative of the United Cities and Local Governments in Bogota, Colombia, and the 2018 First Honorable Mention on the Future Policy Award on the Best Application of Agroecology in the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization in Rome. With the existing municipal city organic agriculture investment master plan legally supported ordinances, we locally implement the Republic Act 11511 and practically counter the commercialization of GMOs and related over 50 years of business as usual conventional agriculture that promised again and again to improve the economic conditions of our farmers that never happened until today. With existing local policies and member municipalities and cities are opening the opportunities and consolidating the supports for the implementation of Republic Act 11511 at the context of sustainable organic food system with effective mobilization of societal key stakeholders from the government, businesses, and CSOs. Hence, I am encouraging the farmers, the farmer organizations, the NGOs, the CSOs to directly engage or dialogue LOM CP members and all over the country. In fact, to counter the business as usual mindset within LOM CP, we institutionalized the inner conditioning mindset transformation together with Dr. Nicanor Perlas of the Ecosystem of Stakeholders in Sustainable Agriculture, or ESAP, on our process development roadmap in the municipal citywide investment Master Plan. And as a member of NOAB, based on amended law, strongly I inform NOAB members that GMO has no room or non-negotiable in Republic Act 11511 very clearly, and suggested to NOAB to publicly inform the public on its official position. And lastly, I would like to thank you for having me in this forum. I would also like to inform you that LOM CP has a plan to call a nationwide collective action plan for the on-the-ground implementation of Republic Act 11511. And I would be very happy to invite all of you if this will happen in the coming months. Daghang salamat. Magandang